Hey y'all, what's up? I am the fashion doll. If you are new here, what's up, dolls? Join the doll house if this is your first time stopping by. What up, doll?
Yourself a merry little Christmas night.
It's December the 10th, y'all. I am out and about on this nice, lovely day, y'all. No snow. It's warm. I step outside with a coat on. I'm like, damn, I don't need no coat. I just need a little hoodie. Took my coat off. I'm out running some errands right now. I really don't have much planned today. Besides taking care of business. Really, tomorrow I'm gonna go to the mall. Me and my mom gonna make a mall run early in the morning, so I'm gonna take y'all along with me to do that. If I do have something to do today, I will come back on the camera, but as of now, just boring stuff, adult stuff, you know. So I'm gonna see y'all a little later. So I'm so excited, y'all. I just got a notification that my late birthday gift just shipped out, so I'm happy. I'm so happy. It will be here Monday. Yay, yay, yay. All right, so I got one more run to make, so I'm about to GPS my destination, and I'm gonna come back and chat with y'all later.
Wanna see what you do. Say that she been noticing he ain't me. If I ever made you angry, girl, just know that it get better with time.
Hey y'all, so it's a little later in the day. I'm headed to Target to do a curbside pickup. So I don't go in the store, y'all, because I'm not trying to save. I mean, I am trying to save. I'm not trying to spend money. So I did a curbside pickup. I'm about to go pick that up, and then my daughter had ballet. We gotta go to ballet lessons after this, and then home we go. Oh, I need to go to the bank. I think I'm gonna go to the bank, Target.
Good morning and happy Vlogmas.
Hey y'all, so y'all already know who I'm watching. Gina Janine. She's like one of my favorite YouTubers, y'all. But I am at the dance school. I just took my daughter in, so she just started class. So I'm gonna sit in the car for a while, just watch her vlog. By the time I'm done with her vlog, the class should be over with. Yeah, so I'm about to go ahead and finish watching her. I did pick up my Target order, and yeah, I'm gonna see y'all. Alright, we're about to build this Oreo cookie train. Don't look nothing like the box. And all my daughter want to do is eat everything. Hey y'all, what's up? I haven't spoke to y'all all day. It's Saturday. The next day is late. It's like 9:39 at night. Today I was supposed to go to the mall, but I didn't go. I was gonna do some Christmas shopping, and I was gonna take y'all along, but that didn't work out. So right now I'm about to chill, drink some wine, and I'm about to eat one of these little boards. Let me show y'all. So I found this board at Target for like $21, I think. About to drink some Stella Rose Tropical Mango. My bestie got me this for my birthday. I'm finally about to drink it. And then I just made a cute little pepperoni rolls to add to the board. I wish I had grapes, but I don't have grapes, so it's cool.
Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so for the belly, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. You stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so for the belly, yeah. Speed post, baby, in Nikki Beach. Waves in my ass, smoking weed. Been through the sand in the teeth. All because of what I did on beats, baby. Life sweet, baby. I ain't stop, baby. you just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the bounce, yeah. And Dre had to bounce, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah.
Hey y'all, what's up? Good afternoon. It's December the 12th. It's like 1:41 in the afternoon. I just got dressed. I'm about to head out and run some errands. Smells so good. I'm wearing my Valentino perfume. This smells so good. So good. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm wearing. Something cute and comfortable. I need a coat. I don't know which coat I'm gonna wear today, but I'm thinking about, I'm probably gonna put my little silver bubble coat on, but let me show y'all my fit. So I'm wearing this Aaliyah graphic tee. I have my Brandon Wood bag on, just some black jeggings. And then I have on my Gucci socks with my pink Ugg boots. I'm gonna see y'all in the car, and I'm about to grab my coat and we about to be out. Hey y'all, so I'm on my way to Target. Thanks to Alicia. If you're watching this, Alicia, you made me do it. So I just watched her Target haul, and she was showing some cute boots that she got from Target, and she actually have a pair of boots that I've been eyeballing for the longest, y'all. My best friend, you know the boots you showed me on TikTok, those little hold on y'all, because I'm about to miss my turn. Where the fuck I'm supposed to be going? Okay, my best friend, she showed me these boots too on TikTok not a while back, a couple of weeks ago actually, and I'm like, oh yeah, I've been eyeballing those boots. Like, I love that type of style of boots. So anyway y'all, long story short, Target got my size, but I'm not sure if I should try my normal size or size up. So I said I'm gonna try my normal size, and if they don't work out, I'll return them because they sold out in the next size up. So I think they call it like Chelsea boots or something from Target. I'm driving y'all, but I'm gonna show y'all when I get it. I'm all over the place right now.
This ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie getting made. Just what I stand. Don't fuck around the ground. Off this way.
Okay, I picked up a few things and I'm about to head out now. And I got an online pickup order. We're about to do that and be done. It's so packed. I hate this time of year. I'm at $5 below, y'all. Prices went up to $5.55. I'm at the gas station, y'all. Hate getting freaking gas. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it.
Me too.
I'm on the phone with my daughter, y'all. Say hi to the vlog, daughter.
Hey.
I'm about to get gas, y'all, so I'm gonna see y'all at home. I'm gonna show y'all a few things. And I got this pretty plant I'm gonna put on the table, y'all. I'm gonna water it and I'm gonna put this on the table. I think this is so pretty. So I'm gonna put this as a little centerpiece. So I got this hot cocoa party pack, hot chocolate spoons. Come with bite-sized chocolate chip cookies and marshmallows. Online I saw one that was covered with candy. I was looking for that one, but I didn't see it. And then I got some peppermint hot cocoa mix. This should be good. Hey y'all, what's up? It's December the 13th, the next day. Oh, I'm excited. I just got my package, y'all. So we about to unbox my phone. Y'all, for one, I've been trying to get this phone. This was a late birthday gift, early Christmas gift now. I've been trying to get this phone before I left to go out of town for my birthday. So I was getting the runarounds like, oh, it's out of stock, we can place the order. And then I was getting ready for my trip, so I forgot all about it. When I was in Vegas, my plan was to try to get the phone out there or see if I can pre-order it out there. I totally forgot about it. When I got back from out of town, I came home and I went to order my phone, y'all. I placed the order on, I think, December the 3rd, if I'm not mistaken. They gave me a date between December the 28th and January the 11th that it will be delivered, and it came pretty fast. It came today, which is the 13th, but my phone actually been here in Michigan since Friday, I think Thursday or Friday, but for some reason they didn't deliver on Saturday or Sunday, so I had to wait until today. Let's see. Oh, let me get, look at her. So pretty, y'all. So pretty. I gotta hurry up because I'm in a rush. I got a doctor's appointment, so you put a little tab. I got the iPhone Pro Max 13, iPhone 13 Pro Max, or whatever. Oh, isn't she beautiful? She's so pretty. Oh, thank God she was on the couch. She's so pretty. She is pretty, y'all. So, yeah, so y'all know when I went to Target the other day, I actually had to go buy the little adapter piece because they don't come with it anymore. They just give you the cord, and this charges your phone quick as hell. My daughter got one. I've been using hers. My phone been charging really fast, so I got that. And then I had to go to Five Below yesterday and I grabbed me a phone case for now. My daughter said she will order me some accessories for Christmas, but she is beautiful. But I'm in a rush, y'all, so I'm gonna play with her when I get home. Aww. So yeah, when I get home, I'm going to transfer everything over. The only thing I noticed is they making this phone big again. And this is a major upgrade because, y'all, I was being old. My daughter and my mama like, girl, just get you a new phone. I'm like, I don't care. But, you know, I'm like, well, I don't really care for the picture quality on this phone anymore. So I'm like, next year, I want my Instagram content to be, like, nice when I take my fashion pictures. So, yeah. But I have the iPhone X, I believe, and you can see the difference in the side. See, totally different. They going back to the old school, like the first iPhones. Remember how they used to be so thick? I kind of like the slimmer ones, but this is something I can just get used to and adjust to. I'm about to open this and put my case on here. This was like $5.55 or $5.65 at Five Below or something. Yep, that's what the case looked like. Something simple, but yeah, let me go ahead and get myself together. I'm super excited about my new phone. But yeah, so don't forget to, I hope I don't get copyrighted, because they be copyrighting shit like on the TV and everything. I had to learn that the hard way. Like, damn, for real. I was watching the ID channel one time. I was talking to y'all and I got copyrighted, so I had to blur out the background. So hopefully we don't have this problem. But anyway, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.